Have you ever wondered which workout torches calories faster, HIIT or Tabata? Both are high-intensity powerhouses, but each has its own format, benefits, and ideal use cases. In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn exactly how they differ, which one matches your goals, and how to get started today. All right, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, alternates short bursts of maximum effort with brief recovery periods. For example, you might sprint for 30 seconds, then rest for 30 seconds, repeating for a total of 8 to 12 rounds. Benefits of HIIT. HIIT is infinitely adaptable. Swap in burpees, jump squats, mountain climbers, or kettlebell swings, whatever you like. The primary benefit is its flexibility, making it suitable for beginners all the way up to elite athletes. HIIT boosts your heart rate, maximizes calorie burn, and keeps your metabolism revved long after you finish. Tabata is a specialized, ultra-condensed form of HIIT. 20 seconds of all-out effort, followed by 10 seconds of rest, repeated for 8 rounds, just 4 minutes in total. Benefits of Tabata. Because of its brutal intensity, Tabata is best for experienced exercisers who want a time-crunched, maximum effort challenge. Use explosive moves like push-ups, air squats, or battle ropes. Despite its short duration, Tabata stimulates both aerobic and anaerobic systems, leading to rapid fat loss and improved cardiovascular fitness. All right, on to time comparison. HIIT offers variable session lengths, ranging from 10 to 30 minutes, while Tabata is fixed at 4 minutes. Intensity comparison. HIIT can be scaled up or down, but Tabata demands absolute max effort. Then, goals comparison. HIIT is perfect for general fat loss, endurance building, and a metabolic boost. Tabata, on the other hand, is ideal when you need a quick, intense burner. Think busy mornings or lunch break workouts. Ultimately, both HIIT and Tabata are incredible tools in your fat burn arsenal. This week, try 1 HIIT session and 1 Tabata set, then comment below on which you prefer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed workouts. Let's get moving!